Hi everybody, happy hump day. This is a technical analysis video on ticker MELY. Before I start, I'd like to say that after hours, MELY did put out a video on YouTube demonstrating and showing all that phase 1 is now complete and that all 100 servers are up and running. So that happened after hours today, so none of this chart reflects any of that price action. I encourage you to check in the I'll put a link to the YouTube video inside the info section of this post. So let's take a look at today's action. So originally here, let me fix this 0025 line did act as a support for about 7 trading sessions. However, we did see today that that support was broken and the stock closed at 24. So now we're going to change this from a support to a resistance. So make that red. But we did see that the stock did settle at 24 at the 50-day simple moving average, this orange line right here. So it did the 50-day simple moving average does act as a support. And you can see here it did close on it. But the price, however, did come down and touch the 200-day moving average, and it bounced right off of that and then closed at the 50-day simple moving average. So again, that's acting as a support for right now. So as we go up again, 25 is now resistance we need to get back through. And then after that, 0027 would be the next resistance, as you can see here. Or if you need to check the last video I did yesterday on the stock, which demonstrates every single one of these lines that was drawn and why. So again, we need to get some real volume in here. Today's volume was pathetic at best at 8 million. There wasn't a lot of buyers, not a lot of sellers. And again, while watching the level 2, for my own opinion, it did not appear to seem that a lot of dilution was happening. I did not see VFIN or VNDN, market makers who have a reputation for shorting or diluting stock. They weren't around today. It really just seemed like it was just a slow volume day, as it is, summertime for penny stocks. But again, that's no excuse. So with that, hopefully tomorrow with the video that came out today, that the company will issue a PR, and if that happens, you can anticipate to see some more volume grow in here. That's my opinion. I think will happen if an official PR is put out. So then when that happens, we need to get through 25 and through 27 before we can start to look at some of the next resistance levels. Taking a look at the MACD down here, we are still above the 0 line. However, it's starting to curl down a little bit. Again with volume, but again, I guess the bright side here is we are still above the 0 line. If there aren't any more questions on this chart, please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing here. Follow us on Twitter at MyPennyGoBoom. Drop a comment, or if there's any stocks you'd like to see me do. And until then, good luck to everyone, and maybe I'll be back to update this video again tomorrow. Thank you so much.